Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ideaplex, where we uncover the latest and greatest tools that help you create, innovate, and dominate the digital space. Today I've got something truly exciting to share, an AI-powered platform that's redefining how we create videos, Hunyuan Video AI. Now, if you've ever wished for a magic wand to whip up professional, eye-catching videos without hours of editing or a hefty budget, you're in for a treat. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Hunyuan Video and Video AI could be a game changer for creators like you. So what exactly is Hunyuan Video AI? At its core, it's an AI-driven video creation platform designed to make video production fast, easy, and dare I say fun. Whether you're creating content for social media, marketing campaigns, or even corporate presentations, Hunyuan promises to simplify every step of the process. It's like having an entire production team at your fingertips, but without the overhead. Hunyuan AI Video is a new, state-of-the-art AI video generator that creates high-quality videos from text descriptions. With 13 billion parameters and state-of-the-art performance, it's the most powerful open-source video generation model available. Hunyuan Video is a groundbreaking open-source video generation model. This project represents a significant advancement in AI-powered video creation. Hunyuan Video achieves remarkable video generation capabilities. The model supports various resolutions up to 720p x 1280p, delivering exceptional visual quality. Powered by over 13 billion parameters, Hunyuan Video excels in producing high-quality videos with outstanding motion diversity and text-video alignment. Describe the video you want to create in natural language. Be specific about scenes, actions, and the visual style you want to achieve. Click Generate and let Hunyuan Video's powerful 13 billion parameter model start creating your video based on your description. The model will take a few minutes to generate your video, ensuring high-quality output with natural motion. Once generation is complete, download your AI-generated video, download your video instantly, and get ready to use it in your content or projects. But the largest open-source video generation model available today, delivering superior quality and performance. Advanced 3D architecture ensures smooth, natural motion and exceptional visual consistency throughout videos. Superior text understanding capabilities for better text-to-video alignment and more accurate results. Complete access to code and model rates on GitHub, enabling community contribution and improvements. Outperforms previous state-of-the-art models with 68.5% text alignment and 96.4% visual quality scores. Supports various video resolutions including 1280p x 720p resolution to suit different needs. It is capable of generating videos that exhibit high physical accuracy and scene consistency, thereby actualizing conceptual visions and fostering creative expression. Hunyuan Video is a breakthrough video generation model that provides a cinematic video quality experience and can freely switch between real and virtual styles. It breaks the limitations of small dynamic images, displaying complete actions seamlessly, and rich semantic expressions allow sequential actions to be completed in one go. High Video has director-level camera capabilities, achieving seamless integration of artistic shots, showing the perfect combination of the most realistic effects and virtual scenes. At the same time, the model complies with physical laws, reducing the sense of disconnection for the audience, bringing a more immersive viewing experience. Through native camera cuts and continuous actions, users can achieve smooth creation with simple commands, inspiring endless creativity and inspiration, fully showcasing the unique charm of Eastern culture. The interface is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete newbie, you'll feel right at home. Hunyuan Video isn't just a fancy picture maker. It can actually generate synchronized sound effects and even animate avatars, adding an extra layer of polish to your videos. Personally, I find this AI tool particularly helpful. Those concepts for explainer videos, social media promos, or even short animations that would normally require a lot of planning and resources. With hunyuanvideoai.com, I can quickly test out the visual potential of an idea and see if it's worth pursuing further. Remember those old Etch-a-Sketch toys? You tilt and turn, creating basic shapes on the screen. Hunyuan Video is like a super-powered Etch-a-Sketch for video creation. You provide the basic instructions, and the AI uses its creativity to bring your vision to life. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Hunyuan Video uses a credit system, You basically buy credits to generate videos, kind of like an arcade with video game tokens. For $9.99, you get 150 credits. This is a great option if you just want to dip your toes in and experiment a bit. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, the 750 credit package comes in at $44.99. Remember, these prices can change, so it's always best to head over to the hunyuanvideo.com website for the latest information. Before you go, let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd love to create with hunyuanvideo.com. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to Ideaplex for more tech explorations and creative hacks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep creating.